Dealership management software is the backbone for nearly every dealership in today's world, from agriculture equipment and lift trucks to construction equipment and truck refrigeration. Systems like this constantly evolve to make dealerships more productive and profitable. Deciding to implement a new dealership management system is usually the easy part, but it could be challenging to figure out what each software can do for your business. One thing's for sure, you want a dealership management software that is tailored to your industry. With that in mind, here are 8 features you should be looking for when shopping for dealership management software. The first is overall system control. Look for a system that is simple to use and will be an easy transition across all departments. The dealership management software you choose should also meet some basic qualifications when it comes to overall system control, such as being built to last years and adapt to future growth, completely integrating all departments, divisions, and processes, being capable of handling all your locations and employees, offering live management dashboards that allow you to review performance in real time, being able to operate across PCs, tablets, and mobile devices, and can be accessed anywhere and function effectively out in the field. 2. You want a dealership management software that has financial management capabilities so you can quickly access financial information, make data-driven decisions, and review the well-being of your organization. Your software should always be able to manage cash flow and payables, track and allocate expenses, house past transactions, monitor and collect outstanding balances, and easily run financial reports for you. 3. Reliable purchasing capabilities. Your purchasing system is vital, so the more automated the purchasing functions, the more benefit you'll get from a system that is efficient and reduces your costs. To help your dealership operate efficiently, your system should be able to analyze purchasing information, create purchase orders based on parts history, automatically process order receipts and payables, and track all purchases. 4. The dealership management software should help you increase sales. Ideally, your software should provide all the information you need to sell your products and services quickly and efficiently. It should positively impact your dealership sales system by allowing your salespeople to pull up high-resolution photos and specific product details, as well as preparing quotes and invoices, all from a tablet or smartphone on location. Your system should also be able to standardize follow-up processes and track each salesperson's productivity. In other words, your salespeople should love this software. It should be able to help them through all stages of the sales cycle, from start to finish. 5. The software should maintain control of parts. Maintaining control of parts inventories while providing adequate turnover and margins is an important part of your dealership's operations. Your software should be able to provide you with accurate inventory levels at all times, make it easy to transfer parts from one store or location to another, include a point of sale functionality, and make it easier to run monthly, quarterly, and yearly inventory counts. 6. The software has service and warranty management. A high-quality system should be able to help you manage and keep track of your technicians' appointments and provide up-to-date parts and customer information. This will help maximize billable hours and increase efficiency and productivity throughout your service department. 7. The software keeps important information secure. Your dealership is only as good as the platform it runs on. So, if your hardware and network are not capable of providing a stable and secure environment for your software, it's time to make a change. Make sure your system is automatically backed up and has security controls so that employees can access the information they need while safeguarding and protecting the data they don't need access to. Lastly, your dealership management software provider should offer support and training. If your employees know how to use your dealership management software to the fullest, they will be able to do their jobs better, and you'll be able to run your business more smoothly. Make sure you have built-in training and support from your system provider so that the support is available during the days and hours you need. You should always receive training, preferably on location, and user guides when you purchase and implement a dealership management software. When you invest in dealership management software, you invest in a relationship and a partnership with your software provider, not just the product. You should expect a solution to meet your needs and future goals, while providing a support system that will be there to help each department of your dealership solve problems. Want more dealership management tips and insights? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our videos.